Welcome to Occam's Razors Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, and today we're just going to do the very simplest barbecued corn. Now I love when corn comes on sale in the summer, and as you know, it's not even summer yet, and some of the corn is coming down from south. These were 75 cents a cob. They were looking so well, I thought, what the hell, let's have one with dinner tonight. We'll cook the second one, and these are delicious cold as well. Anyways, barbecuing corn, a lot of people just make cooking corn far too complicated. So this is my easiest way of doing it. So I just trim off the excess leaves. This. Just cut those off. Next, I don't really need these long tails, but those are handy as well. These are kind of handy for cooking them as well on a barbecue, of course. But don't forget, once these are soaked and they're nice and soaked and you put them on the barbecue and they start heating up, ooh, they're gonna get pretty hot. So don't be handling these with your hands. Find yourself a nice little container. I love these older juice containers that I don't use anymore for juice. Just fill that full of water. Now remember, what is in your water is in your body, so have some nice clean water. If it's coming from your tap and you'd like to filter that water, filter that. I have some nice clean filtered water in there. I don't want any chlorine taste added to my food. There you go, that's it. I'm gonna let this soak till the barbecue. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm going to keep soaking these till I'm ready to barbecue at 4, 5, 6. I don't really care. They're going to be nice and soaked. This will retain a lot of the moisture in the leaves of the skin, and all that moisture in there will just help to steam and cook the corn. And we'll do that when we turn on the barbecue. So we'll see you there. All right, our barbecue has been preheated because actually it's cooking some turkey leg and thigh that I have in there already. So just going to take our corn, put it right on. What I'm going to do is going to show you the difference. I'm just going to take off a few of these extra leaves here, because there's two ways really to do this. I mean, you want to steam it and cook it, or would you like to burn it a little, right? Sometimes a little charring on it. Some people like that, so we'll just show you how both ways come out. All right. So that'll be about 20 minutes, 15, 25 minutes, they say. The way I do it and the heat that I know that I get on my barbecue takes me about 20 minutes, so it's going to be 5 minutes per side. And I'm just going to keep turning it over every 5 minutes, and then it's going to be done. It's now been 20 minutes, and I've turned the corn over quarter turns every 5 minutes, which means it's cooked. It's cooked now. As you can see here, because I've taken some of these leaves off, that it's starting to come through. So what I want to do, I want to finish just taking off a few more. Just leave the bare minimum on the outside here. And then I just want to get a little color on the corn. A little crispiness there. Another 5 minutes isn't going to do it too much harm. Ah, yes. Just smell the nice barbecued corn. What I also like to do is just finish it off after I've taken everything off. Burn off the last of those strings on the one I'm going to eat. And then this one here, I'm not even going to unwrap it. I'm just going to let it cool. And I'm going to have it with tomorrow's meal. Or you can just have it as a snack. Just cold, just like that. Super tasty. The corn is naturally sweet. That's sweet. A little more moisture in those. Take a little while to ignite. All right. That about does it. Let's go inside. And that's all it was. That's all it took. Now, of course, anyone who's watched my channel knows that I love butter. Butter is good for you. Butter is natural fat. Or you don't really have to have butter on this. It's absolutely tasty without it. And of course, I'll put a mild amount of salt on it. Not pepper. I'm a salt only when it comes to the corn. And voila, barbecued corn. It's not really that hard. You don't have to boil it. This is far more delicious. Right. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Some delicious turkey leg cooked on the barbecue, wrapped with a bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and sage from the garden. Some pumpkin canned 2 years ago, reheated with a bit of brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, butter, and yeah, just heated down until the juice is mostly gone. A little pickle tray with some spicy zucchini pickled from last year, some homemade dill pickles, and some tasty cinnamon pickled beans. Yes, and to go with our barbecued corn today, we have some nice clove tea. And boil that up for about 20 minutes, about 1 clove per cup. It's really good for you. Drink a cup of that a day. And then over here, to help it all digest it down, some water with a teaspoon of bay leaf water. Bay leaf water basically in a double boiler for about 2 hours. And throw in a handful of bay leaves and you will get this wonderful infusion that is very calming the stomach and helps you digest at the end of the meal.